Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So now, actually, this exercise is very useful. Who is working in water, environment, social assessment, risk assessment, because this is related to the population. So when we do anything or we plan any study, so the most of the factor which is impact due to any events is population. So that's why I thought I have to create one example so that you can learn something out of it, because I'm doing something in this. I'm using this skill in my one of my project, because I cannot share that data to you. So that's why I am using some random data. So what I am doing is, this is taluka, means these are the taluka boundaries I have in GIS format, right? So I want to show everything related to population through this map. But thing is that I don't have any data. Means data means I have taluka or tehsil. Apart from that, I don't have population. I need population, right? So I thought that okay, let's put some random values in each taluka, so that I can create a table out of it. So so that we can use that. So then I realized that okay, this is the good exercise how to do. Otherwise, what we will do, we will just open it, uh, this one, and then we will randomly type something 1200 or 200, or I will just do something, right, to put some random values. So I thought that better to write a script, so that it will be quick, and I can use that skill in many times later. So so that's why so this exercise is for that, to how to include two columns in my data, which is population 2021 and population 2011 and population for 2021. So how to do that? So this is very quick exercise and very useful, I can tell you. So you can first, you have to import these two libraries. These are the Python library. I'm not typing now because I already did this. Import pandas as np PD, and import numpy as np. So after this, after running this, we'll go to next cell. So what we need to do is, we need to import the my table, or which is in CSV form. So what we do in Panda, df in data frame equal to PD dot read CSV. So it will, if run, then uh, uh, done. Then we have to set a reproductibility. So means we have to set a range, means like through numpy. So it is range equal to np dot random default range to 40. I have put the length is 42. Then we have to generate the random population for 2011. So what we are assuming that P of 2011 is range dot integers. Value should be in integer. Population definitely will be in integer. Low is 50,000. High is some, you can put your own values, and size will be based on the DF, means it will be as per the DF. The size will be the length of those values. Then similarly in 2021, what we will do is, if you know the growth, sometime what happen is, we know the growth of the means how much population growth is, like 8%, 20%. So based on that, we can calculate, if we have the lower value is 8% growth and higher value is 35% growth, then we have to create the growth, and based on that we can create the population. So population 21 is population 2021 into growth, and it is the type is the integer, right? So now we have calculated 2011 and 2021. Then we have to, what we have to do is, we have to add the column in my table. What it should be that, if is DF is population 2011 means equal to 2011, means this will have this name and this will have this name, population 2011. 2021. So then we have to, after running it, then you have to run this. So you can save this file in the another CSV, and you can check also here that how it, now you can see, if we print this this table, then we can see that district, state, tehsil, we have already this thing. But new, what is the new thing is that we have two more column is population 2011 and population 2021. So now we can see this here in this table, right? So we have table is that we have population 2011 and 2021. So this is the table we have generated through a simple calculation or simple script, because I have showed you step by step, so that's why it looks maybe who are beginner, for them it looks like, oh, a lot of step, but it's very simple. The thing is that if you generate or sometime if you have this 2011 values, then based on that you can calculate the 2021 or yearly growth also. Yearly population you can create based on this previous population, based on the growth, because sometimes we know that population growth is 2%, 3%, something like that. So this is what I wanted to show you. I think it's a very useful, and the next step will be that how we have to join this data with the GIS data, so that we can generate the map. The next video will be that. Thank you very much. Thank you.